Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Question Point. Here we provide MCQ format questions for various competitive exams, and agenda for today is that we will be solving a practice set for GK and GS question which can be asked in the SSC CHSL exam. If you are new to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to our channel, and before starting the video, please like our video and share it with your friends. So let's get started today. And the first question, which of the following element is not radioactive? Zirconium, radium, uranium or plutonium? So correct answer here will be zirconium. Zirconium is not a radioactive element. Next question, which one of the following not a line of demarcation between two countries? Redcliffe line, Durand line, International Date line or McMahon line? So here we can easily carve it out that international date line is not a line which lines a demarcation between two countries, because it is a line decided to be as a point of change of day between the countries. Next question, which of the following supports the particle nature of photons? Photoelectric effect, interference, diffraction or polarization? So correct answer will be photoelectric effect. Next question, which one of the following is opposite to democratic state? Socialism, monarchy, despotism or republic? So correct answer here will be monarchy. Next question, which state in India occupies the same ranking position in area in respect of area and population? So correct answer here will be Meghalaya. Next question, Gandhi's concept of trusteeship. First, exclude legislative regulation of ownership and use of wealth. Second, does not fix minimum or maximum income. Third, recognize right or private ownership of property. Fourth, transform the capitalistic society into egalitarian one. So option number 4, transforms capitalistic society into an egalitarian one. This was the concept of trusteeship of Gandhiji. Next question, contour line is the imaginary line joining places of equal elevation, temperature, rainfall or humidity. So correct answer here is elevation. Next question, lake formed in a cut off river meander is called Oxbow Lake, Crater Lake, Playa Lake or Meteoric Lake? So correct answer here will be Oxbow Lake. Next question, closed economy means economic policy not well defined, country having no import and export, no provision for public sector, no provision for private sector. Correct answer for this question will be option number 2, that is a country having no import and exports. Next question, the heaviest naturally occurring element is, options are thorium, uranium, mercury or polonium. So correct answer here will be thorium. Thorium is the heaviest naturally occurring element. Next question, instrument used to study the behavior of vibrating string. Hygrometer, sonometer, barometer or hydrometer? So correct answer here will be sonometer. Next question, indicate the correct arrangement of electromagnetic radiation in order of their increasing wavelength. Visible, infrared, microwave or X-rays? So here the correct sequence for this will be the third one. First comes the microwave, smallest length, then infrared, then visible, then X-rays. Next question, haptens are antibodies, isoantigens or pseudoantigens or incomplete antigens? So correct answer will be here haptens are incomplete antigens. Next question, Gandhar art flourished under Guptas, Mauryas, Kushanas or Satavahanas? So correct answer will be Kushanas. Next question, taxes on professions can be levied by panchayat only, union government only, state government only or by both state and union government? So correct answer for this question will be option number 3, that is state government only. Sulfur dioxide bleaches coloring method by decomposition, oxidation, reduction or dehydration? So correct answer for this question will be option number 2, that is oxidation. Next question, which article of the Indian Constitution provides for equal opportunities for all citizens in public employment? Article 20, Article 25, Article 22 or Article 16? So correct answer will be option number 4, Article number 16. Next question. Which of the following is an indirect tax? Wealth tax, estate duty, capital gains tax or excise duty? So correct answer will be here option number 4, excise duty. Which of the following is not an operating system? First, single user multitasking, multi-user multitasking, multi-user single tasking or single user single tasking? So correct answer here will be option number C, that is multi-user and single tasking. This is not an operating system. Next question. Wilting of plants occur due to excessive absorption, transpiration, respiration or guttation? So correct answer will be transpiration. Next question. The Secretariat of the Convention on Biological Diversity campaign was based in London, Italy, Montreal or Toronto? So it is based in Montreal. Next question. The Aryans divide the life of man into 4 periods, communities, discipline or ashrams? So correct answer here is 4, option ashrams. Next question. India's first satellite Aryabhat was launched in the year 1972, 1976, 1974 or 1975? So correct answer is option number 4, 1975. Next question. Shinto is the native religion of China, Japan, Singapore or Australia? So correct answer here is Japan. Next question we have, the book Hot Milk has been authored by Arundhati Roy, Nikunj Sharma, Arvind Adiga or Deborah Levy? So correct answer is Deborah Levy. That's it for today. We have complete with our session. Do like and share our video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed. And if you want to download the PDF of this session, you can download it from the Telegram group. The link for the same is mentioned in the description box. So, and we will meet soon with a new practice set and new set of questions which will enhance your preparation. So until we meet next time, till then, keep preparing, keep learning something new. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.